Frederick Church was America's most famous painter in the 19th century. He traveled near and far to explore the natural world and to express his vision of nature and dramatic landscapes on canvas. During these outdoor painting excursions, he would create numerous sketches and studies. He was known for his speed and his passion for detail. His studies often included written phrases, reminders about the color and effect of natural elements such as trees, rocks, atmosphere, and light. These notes and sketches were brought back to his painting studio, where he would newly compose and rework a particular scene through oil paint on canvas. Church's famous paintings such as Niagara and Heart of the Andes were massive in size and composition for Church's era, and he would often design his own frames to further heighten a painting's impact on the viewer.
In 1865, Frederick Church built a freestanding painting studio near the highest point of the property he owned at that time. He later acquired the entire hill so that he could create all of Olana. Church chose this site for its panoramic views east, south, and west, and this studio location included a view of the Hudson River and the Catskill Mountains, a view he would paint many times. Church had sketched from this approximate site when he was much younger, studying with his mentor, Thomas Cole. In 1846, he wrote to Cole,
"The recollection of the Blue Mountains is as fresh and vivid to me as the day I last saw them." Church's first and primary studio was in the 10th Street Studio Building in New York City. He would sometimes view a painting in both his New York studio and his studio at Olana before he perfected a finished work. The studio at Olana was a retreat and a destination.
Directly south of this location is Crown Hill, a peak within Olana's larger designed landscape. Church created Crown Hill Road in 1884 to bring visitors up for a view over Olana itself. From this elevated location, one could see the farm, the original painting studio, and the main house, all part of his artist-designed landscape. This composed view is a great example at Olana of Church's expertise in landscape art. Until recently, Crown Hill had overgrown and the view had completely disappeared. The Olana Partnership and New York State Parks worked collaboratively to complete the first phase of landscape restoration on Crown Hill, and in 2013, this significant view re-emerged.